Next up, we're going to do beef stir-fry tacos. I'm going to do it with the beef ribeye steaks. These are 283 grams, 10 in a box. Come packed like that. They're absolutely delicious. Look at them, so nice. What the one here I'm going to use.
Stunning. How many tacos would you get out of that shift?
This is going to be a few tacos.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd say you're probably going to get, depending on how generous you are, maybe 8 to 10 tacos.
Okay.
I've chosen to do the ribeye steaks. Flavour of ribeye steak. It's got that big fat eye of fat in it, which penetrates through the meat, making it super delicious. It's not a tough meat to eat.
Yeah.
It's an easy cook.
Good.
So we'll slip over to the cook side bread. So we'll just season that up. Doing it on the grill here, obviously going to get a really nice charred flavour, which will help come through on the tacos. Going to get the pan super hot, and then we're going to drop our stir-fry veg in, which comes in prepped already. I think it's a kilo bag. Just got a mix of Savoy cabbage, carrot, peppers, onion. Drop our veg in. And we're going to dribble the chow mein sauce over the top of that. Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit of water just to help steam the veg out. Have a little face sauna. And that's going to be the stir-fry veg to go inside of our tacos. So just let the steak rest up. And as the steak's resting up, we can cook the prawn crackers, which we're going to use to garnish the tacos.
That's the soft white taco.
Soft white tacos. Yep. Straight in, and then stir-fry veg, which is in that chow mein stir-fry sauce. So loads of flavour in this. A little bit of the crunch still in the vegetable.
So outside of cooking the steak, obviously the stir-fry mix comes in as a pre-mix.
Pre-mix, yeah.
Yeah. And everything else is sort of components. As long as you know how to cook a steak, it's quite an easy build, isn't it? Quite an easy cook.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Just sprinkle some of that. Bit of visual. And then we've got our sweet and sour onions here. Top of that, sweet and sour red onions, which again are already pickled, come in, and then our shoestring spring onion, a little bit of radish, and then I'm going to crunch those prawn crackers
Nice.
over the top. And serve a couple alongside it. Little lime wedge. Come here. Just.
Fantastic.
And
If you've got outdoor space, this is perfect to take outside. Particularly in the summer, isn't
definitely.
it? Yeah.
You can even do this as like a grab and go thing if you've got like a little street food van.
Yeah.
But yeah, just a
Fantastic.
nice little tacos there, and then these little bad boys on the side.